Welcome to one of the candidates for the Englishest pub in the world. And here we are at the Rose and Crown to discover what the benefits are of using the English language in business. So come with me and we'll meet with John Barrington Dixon, the landlord of the Rose and Crown.
Thank you very much.
And here we are at the Rose and Crown. So hi John, how are you?
Hiya, nice to meet you.
And yourself? Can I start by asking why there are such benefits to using the English language in business?
I don't know really, I've never really considered it before. We live in England and that's what we speak.
Wow, that is brilliant. So what language do you speak when they come from France or Germany?
English?
And they don't mind you speaking in English?
Well, we are in England, I'm not really sure what they expect.
That is fascinating. Who would have imagined it? I even noticed your menus are in English. That is quite a bold move. You must have Spanish or Swedish versions.
No, why would we? I don't understand. It's an English pub in England. I can't imagine anyone would find the English language offensive.
Well, who would have thought? One last question. Do you have problems with people walking into the wrong toilet?
Why would we?
Well, you just have ladies and gents on the doors. You don't have people in skirts or trousers. They must get confused.
Well, no.
That is remarkable. I would have thought it would have caused chaos. But obviously the language isn't the barrier we thought it would have been. And there we have it, from one of the candidates for the Englishest pub in the world. They have really embraced the English language and proved it doesn't have to be a barrier to business. Back to you in the studio.